Hello student, let me continue. Exercise 5.1, sum number 4 to 7. Sum number 4. If a point C lies between 2 points A and B, such that AC is equals to BC, we need to prove. Explain by drawing the figure. Given AC is equals to BC, to show AC is half of AB. Now proof. AC plus BC equals to AB. Now AC plus AC, because both are equal, it's a given. Twice of AC, then AC is half of AB, hence proved. Question number 5. In question 4, point C is called the midpoint of line segment AB. Yes, because AC is half of AB, that's why C is midpoint. We need to prove every line segment has one and only one midpoint. We know that C is a midpoint of AB, that means AC is a half of AB. To show now proof. In this question we will take contradiction method. Let the point D, which is midpoint, then AD plus DB equals to AB, AD plus AD equals to AB, twice of AD equals to AB, AD is half of AB. From 1 and 2, both are equal to half of AB, that's why AD is equals to AC. If AD is equals to AC, it is only possible when D coincide with C, जब D C के ऊपर होगा. So hence it contradict our assumption. So every line segment has one and only one midpoint. Now the next is question number 6, which is on your screen. If AC equals to BD, then need to prove AB equals to CD. AC equals to BD. See this one BC. Subtract BC from both sides. AC minus BC, BD minus BC. Then it becomes AB equals to CD, hence proved. If we subtract equal from equals, then remaining are equal. Sum number 7. Why is axiom 5 is the list of Euclid's axiom consider a universal truth. Axiom 5 is the whole is greater than a part. Let me understand it by example. Birthday cake, slice of cake, and this slice is less than the whole cake. That's why the whole full cake is greater than this slice. Okay, student? Thank you.